flash floods in Andhra Pradesh's Kadapa district has claimed at least 3 people on Friday. Many people have been feared washed away in heavy floods due to continuous rains in the city. A breach to the NYOOOZ project bund caused a flash flood in Chayur rivulet that left some villages along its coast inundated, official sources said. A group of unsuspecting devotees, offering prayers in a Shiva temple on the occasion of Kartika Purnami, were caught in the sudden flood and washed away in Rajmapet area. As per reports, 3 bodies were later recovered near Nandalaru. The Rayalaseema districts of Uttar and Kadapa have been witnessing a worst deluge in years as heavy rains, caused by the depression in Bay of Bengal, caused breaches to several ranks and kept rivers and rivulets in spate. NDRF and SDRF teams have swung into action to carry out relief and rescue operations.